traveled on the way. I went from Zurich to, I have,
Davos.
we have gone to the World Economic Forum. This was a great experience for me. Lot of things to learn, lot of things to implement. On the way from Zurich to Davos, more than about 40, 50 big tunnels were there within a span of about 200 odd kilometers. Then from Davos to again to Milan, some about 50 tunnels were there. Tunnels even from 2 kilometers to 20 kilometers tunnels also were there. Single tunnels, which was been there. Tunnels were there. It was a great experience. They have done about 50, 60 years back itself. Well, planning has been done, cutting the mountains in the seat. Every city has been connected with the grid connection, transmission lines, power, everything is there. We have learned well planning on marketing, especially on how they marketed the entire world. When all the prime ministers of various countries and the business heads of all the countries had to reach there, though there was no airport. Airport was only 250 kilometers away from Davos. So everyone had to attend there, participate there, sell their product, sell their country, sell their business, sell their knowledge power. And we also had to do the same thing. I think on behalf of Karnataka, taking India government into confidence. When India government also was a part of us, they also tried to project Karnataka also in a way. But one thing I'm very proud to tell that India is being seen through Bangalore. So we are also a focusing point in India. And the pollution level in as far as Bangalore is concerned, we are in a very great safe zone compared to Delhi. They all agree on that issue. So as far as Mumbai is concerned, they also agree that the IT related workforce is in Bangalore and other part of the southern India than the other parts of the Delhi, because even the rates of rental rates are little bit conservative here. So no one can match the human resources and the technology workforce whatever we have, the IT professionals what we have compared to different part of the world. That is the biggest asset our seniors have created as far as Karnataka is concerned.